Literally, that's my thumbnail. Literally, that's my thumbnail right now. Let's get started. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Almost at 800. I'm so lit right now. I'm so excited. I swear, you guys make my day every day. All right, so we're going to do another video on what would tarot say. Oh my gosh, we went hiking in the woods. Now listen, you guys. It was my idea. It literally was my idea. But then when we went to go hiking, like I was scared. Like I wasn't ready. Like I've always wanted to go hiking, never been hiking. But then when Aunt was like, okay, let's go, I just mentally was scared. Like I just wasn't ready. Here we are hiking, and all I can think of are bears. We literally do have bears. Like there are bears at our parks. Like it's not crazy or uncommon. Like I was not like being a baby, but I was really scared. I was scared of horses. People walk their horses at the park all the time. Like who's to say that a horse won't get afraid and then come like charging at me? What do? I can't outrun a horse. So I was scared. Okay, it was a great date. You know, I'm just gonna be honest. In the beginning, I was fearful for, you know, my life, and then I don't know. I just like I snapped out of it. Like I was like, okay, Nikki, you're fine. You're protected. You're like your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors. You talk to them every day. What are you afraid of? Like they're not gonna let a bear take you out. I had to literally have this conversation with myself. First, it's like really scary and like just imagine like just being in the woods. It just felt like being in the woods, and then eventually I'm over it. I'm noticing the trees, I'm noticing the birds and the plants and, you know, all the animals and stuff like that. And I start recording a little bit and it takes my mind off of being afraid, and then I get afraid again later. So it was a lot of emotions.
I see too many people out here. Right? It's a good day for us.
Yeah.
Right. Cool. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You see any animals yet?
No, but we have sticks, so we're ready.
Oh, you're ready, yeah.
We're going to see how would the tarot show me hiking in the woods. Like, is there even a way for tarot to show me hiking in the woods? Like, what is that? What cards is there to show me hiking in the woods? Like, that's so crazy. So we're just going to have to see. I plan to pull like 9 or 10 cards. There's 78 tarot cards. So yeah, get your votes up. What cards do you think are going to come out? Go ahead, pause the video right now and let me know which cards you think are going to come out. How do you think tarot is going to show me walking in the woods? Like what? Alright. Hiking. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So we went hiking. It was like a date. It was literally like a date. A date in the woods. And this is what it was. Us walking with our stick. Yo, this is freaking crazy. Us walking with our stick. And we all know the Knight of Cups is the date card. That's crazy. I should just keep that out. I'm gonna keep that one out. Where's the other one? Like, if it comes out again, I'm just gonna keep it out. Like, that's crazy. All right, so we went hiking in the woods, and this was us. Listen, bruh, I was so scared. I was so scared that I swear I thought the animals was gonna come out. I don't know what animals, but bro, I thought animals was gonna come from nowhere and just attack us, or we were gonna be lost, or we was gonna be stuck in there forever. This is perfect. That's crazy. Yeah, man. I was praying. It's like, please be with me. Because, you know, they're deer. They're like deer that that are in the woods here. Bears, wild dogs, wild cat, wild anything, lizards, shit, spiders. These freaking spider webs we saw was freaking large. So it's funny. That's me with my stick, bruh. I had to get all my giggles out because this was too, like, very oddly specific. But I love it. I love it. All right, so let's go. In the woods. Or there's a woods date, or something about being in nature, hiking. Yeah, like a hiking date. What cards would come out in a hiking date? Yeah, yes, I could definitely see this. I could. Oh, first of all, these. Oh my God, these are so perfect. These are all the trees. These are all the trees, and that's awesome. That's freaking awesome. Fool. Yeah, we probably were foolish. We were, but this is also I'm seeing hiking because the knapsack, and you know, a lot of times when people go hiking, they have a knapsack with them. So I'm definitely liking that. I'm liking the stick in his hand. I'm liking the stick over there. That's just too perfect for me. Yeah, and us being scared of these freaking dogs and stuff. All right. So far, I really like the first row. I could definitely see it if I was doing a reading, and you know, someone could ask anything, you know, what's a good date? What's a good date to take my girl on or my guy on? Something like that. And I could see these cards and I could say, definitely take him on a walk. He would like to go hiking. He would like to go hiking. Like all these, I could see hiking. Now this one would scare me if it came out. But now that I'm doing this, I could look at it in other ways rather than just like doom and gloom, because yeah, this is how I felt on my hiking trip. So I'll just, you know what, this would trigger me to say something like he or she likes adrenaline, he or she likes to be scared, he or she likes that fear. So you know, that would definitely prompt me into saying him or she might like hiking. So yeah, this person definitely likes animals, take them outdoors. Yeah, very insightful, very insightful. Now this one, oh my gosh, I definitely would see maybe the zoo. This is giving me more zoo vibes, but of course there are tons of animals out in the wild, and look at the sticks in her hand. So the world, it makes more sense to me upright. So look, y'all, hey, I'm giving y'all ideas. Y'all better be taking notes. Get the pen and the paper out. Take some notes. I will make a song out of anything. Yeah, but this is definitely telling me hiking, walking. Love it, love it, love it, love it. The hangman as well. I definitely see the hangman as hiking in the woods. Cool. All right, let's get three more. And in the comment section below, let me know. Definitely. Absolutely. Absolutely. Hiking, absolutely. In the comment section, let me know what cards would you have picked? What would you have picked? Oh my God, now this was entirely way too much. Okay, I'll put these back. That was an explosion. All right. Sometimes when that happens, I like to like almost reset the deck, do something different with it, you know, flip it, you know, like almost like reset the energy with it, because that was crazy. All right, so hiking in the woods, you know, date night in the woods, date night in the woods. I could see that. Date night in the woods. The star card is definitely outside under the stars, like very dreamy. Oh, I love it. Look at the little bird in the tree, and we were definitely looking at all the birds. You hear me? I love a good bird watch. Oh, I love that. I love that. I love it. I love it. The Emperor. I don't know. The Emperor doesn't really make sense to me. The Emperor just does not make sense. I mean, the Queen of Cups fell out with it. I mean, that's definitely him and me on a date. You know, I could get that. But I don't see specific to, like, an in the woods type date. Take notes. I definitely see a beautiful hike. This is definitely, I see hike. I see a little, maybe like a little fear, like I said before. Someone who really, really loves nature. The Empress would have worked nicely too, I think. Nah, maybe not the Empress, because the Empress sits down. The Empress sits down, and these people are all standing, except for these two. That's why I was saying, like, I don't know, like, the King doesn't really make sense. This would have made sense to me. But that's more like celebration. That's like a big celebration. And walking in the woods is definitely not a celebration. So yeah, no. I take that back. The Empress, she's sitting. So, I mean, but she is outside. I don't know. It's the sitting for me. It's the sitting for me. Temperance. Nah, she's too peaceful. You're like meditating and nah, we was not doing that. We was like, let's get out of here. Like, it was scary at first, and then it was fun, and then it was like serene and peaceful. And then we saw like a big pile of poop, like a huge, like the hugest pile of poop ever. And when we were walking, we didn't see the poop. It was only on the way back. So we were like, between the time we went up and came back, what huge animal did this? What animal did this? And then we were scared again. So that's where this card definitely makes sense, especially these 5 pentacles right here. That looks like all the poop that we saw on the floor. And we were like, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we was out of there. We was out of there after that. All right, yeah, pretty much that's it. There's no... So if any of these cards came out, I would definitely think, you know what? No. With the Emperor, I could definitely see that. Okay, yeah, I get it now. Okay, so with the Emperor, I'm seeing like somebody that wants to take you on a date that's gonna maybe make you scared, but make them look brave. Yes, that's what I see with the Emperor. Somebody that, yes. So if you're asking me, what kind of date should I take my man on? And this card comes out, take him on a date that's going to make him feel like he's the man. Make him feel like he's the man. And if the Queen of Cups comes out instead, take her on a date that makes her feel like she could count on you. Like, oh my God, I'm scared. Help me. You know? That was so cute. Ew. I love it. I love it. Definitely the star I'm seeing, you're outside, you know, the stars in the sky, the trees, the birds. We were looking at everything, just the clouds, like just looking at the sky, the treetops, how the blue meets the green, you know, how the blue and the green meet sometimes. That's a very beautiful, that's just like a very pretty sight. If you ever take the time to notice that, it's very nice. And this card reminds me of it, you know, where the blue meets the green. It's very nice. I definitely see us hiking here with these 3 sticks. That's funny. Us and the trees, again, of course, we're all connected. Just thinking about you're outside, you're in nature, but also you are nature, you know, just making that connection. I love that. And just all the animals that are watching you. Shit, you watching them, but guess what? They watching you too. Ooh. And that's why I was scared. I love it. I love it. This is us looking at all the trees, like I said, at some points feeling like, are we a fool for being out here? Because I definitely feel like we a fool for being out here. Wow, this was so fun. This was so fun. Let me know what cards you would have chosen to show going on a hiking trip, right? Or a date in the woods. Like, what cards would have you chosen? Did I say that right? What cards would you have chosen? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.